Good morning, student. Today I will show you how to give the line space between the two lines. Yeah, more than two lines. Previous class we have learned how to insert word art, how to change the word art size, color, position, drop cap, everything. Now we'll change the paragraph spacing, line spacing. Means when we are use of these options. My dear students, you have seen sometimes we not give the enough space between the two lines. Okay, so that time it come together and okay, it not looks very nice. That time we will use the paragraph line space. How? I'm showing to one example. Let's go. We'll start to the Word, MS Word. Start all program. Okay. Then Microsoft Office 2013. I have told any version there is no problem. Now what are 2013? Okay. Now blank document. My Word documents became. This is the document area. We know here we will write any paragraph. I'm not saying you can use only paragraph. If you want to write your name, address, the short things, yeah, whenever you will write any poem, that time also you can use the line space. Okay, so my dear, I have written one paragraph regarding the science. Okay, so this is the paragraph I have written. You can see the line. Here is no gap, means gap is there, not more. Okay, but here you can see the line, the space is more. Okay, again you follow, there is no above space. Okay, so I am saying to the will give the above enough space, okay, between two lines, more than two lines. Okay. And one more thing you can follow, this side, the left side's margins equal. Okay, but right side, see, it is not finished properly here and there. Okay, this one also we can do. Now first of all I will show you how to give the line space. Clear? Now what to do? First of all I will select everything. Now up to this I have selected. Now I will go to the paragraph option. Home tab, paragraph options. Once again I am saying home tab, then paragraph options. But paragraph options, where will go? You can see this arrow. Okay, this is the paragraph setting. This is called the paragraph setting. Okay, you will click on here. So you will see the one paragraph dialog box appear on the screen. Okay, this is the paragraph dialog box. Then you click on the indent and spacing, this tab, indents and spacing. After that you will go to the line spacing option. Here you will see one arrow is there. Okay, so what I said, indents, then line spacing, arrow. Then you can see the so many options, 1.5 lines, double, at least, exactly, multiple. So which one will follow? we will select 1.5 lines, otherwise double, basically 1.5 lines. Okay, I have selected, then click on OK. Now you will see the line space became more. No, the line space became more. We have previous then line spacing, it was not more. Now I am showing to the difference. Now you can see this one. Okay, difference you just follow here and this one. It is more, but that one not more. Okay. So we can do these things, that is how to change the lines space. Okay, now once again I am showing to you, we will not give the line space. Once again we will go to the previous options. So how? Again you will select everything. I have selected all. You will go to the paragraph options, then here line spacing you will give the single and click on OK. Now you will follow again the way at the previous position. Here is no line space. Okay, understood? Now I am showing to you once again how to give the line space. Select paragraph, then this tab, line spacing 1.5, then click on OK. Clear? Now second thing, whatever that I told you, the left side you see the margins equal, all the words have started from here, but right side you can see that is not completed properly. Okay, it is not equal, in a line not came. If you follow your SST book, your literature book, any paragraph you follow, this side has started and equally, and right side also equally, but our paragraph it is not equal. How we will do? This is called the justify. Remember, the option is justify. Paragraph, just you can see this line. This is the left alignment, center, right, and this is the justify. Whenever you will write any paragraph, remember after the completed this paragraph you always select the justify. This justify, the keyboard function is Control plus J. Control plus J. Clear? So how we will do justify? First of all, select everything. Then we will go to the justify options. Otherwise, Control plus J. Now you just follow the right side. It has equally. Okay, this left side also equal, and now right side equal. Now few students you will say, sir, why this is the completed here? Because my dear, I have given the enter tab to start the new paragraph, means up to this paragraph it has completed here, but here it has started another paragraph. That reason it has completed here, that reason it came here. Okay, so my dear students, today you learn how to change the line space, how to make the equally of both sides. Clear? So I hope you understood of today's class. You will practice your home. I will take test one day, then you will do your home, and whenever we will open the school, that time also you will show me. Clear? So today up to this. Okay, bye.